Rafiq sat near a tree. He shaped a small clay thing. It was not good, but he did his best. He smiled and looked at his work. They did not help. They just ran, jump, and joke. Rafiq felt bad, but he said no word. Each day, Rafiq sat and made more. He did not stop. He had hope. He let his hand work slow and neat. A man came from the big city. He saw Rafiq work with care. He did not talk yet. He just saw the clay and the boy. Now Rafiq stood in a nice shop. His clay things sat on a shelf. He felt pure joy. He did it with time and will. The same kids came back. They saw the best clay yet. No one made fun now. They all said, "Wow."
Hello, and welcome to my channel. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more videos.